calm.
Why? Why should I be calm? I have a right to be upset! Let's get this over with. We don't want to be avoiding this. We just have to,
Have to what?
buy the next volume.
King?
So Lilith was feeling stressed, and, the light glyph didn't really work, so, she turned into that thing!
Sweet flea? Was my little sweet flea? That means she's also
Cursed! Yes! Were you not paying any attention to her?
Gotta think fast. You sure this is gonna work?
Yeah, are you, like, secretly sending us to our deaths?
No, I'm making things right. My beautiful daughters, I failed you. Evelyn, you're in there, aren't you? I'm so sorry. Mom? Witchlet. And Lilith, you were always so self-sufficient. But I didn't give you the attention you deserved.